In this video, I'm going to show you 3 top tools for doing SEO audits. Find the bot links in the video description. View the full example files from this video on the bot pages. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Tool 1. Website Traffic Checker. This bot estimates how much traffic your site gets within a specified period of time. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Website Traffic Checkers page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Select the time frame to analyze. For example, the last 3 months. Specify periodicity. For example, daily. Enter 1 or more websites. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted website traffic data to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. The bot has exported website traffic data for the last 3 months. Tool 2. Google PageSpeed Bulk Checker. This bot checks Google PageSpeed scores for a list of websites. Paste 1 or more websites. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported mobile and desktop page speed scores. Tool 3. Google Rank Checker. This bot checks a domain's rankings for a list of keywords. Enter your location. For example, Dallas. Enter your domain. Enter 1 or more keywords. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has retrieved our target domain's ranking for each of the keywords. Sign up on Botster and use these smart tools for SEO audit. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.